Today, I am reviewing the ViewSonic LS740HD 1080p laser projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the sheer performance, the most immediate thing you will notice is the brightness. Rated at 5,500 lumens at the center, this projector is designed to punch through ambient light. In a typical office or classroom, you are rarely going to have a perfectly pitch-black environment. This unit is built to handle that reality. It uses third-generation laser phosphor technology, which is a massive upgrade in terms of efficiency and longevity compared to the older lamp-based projectors we grew up with. You are looking at a rated light source lifespan of up to 30,000 hours in its eco modes, which effectively means you can run this thing for years without ever needing to worry about the maintenance or the image degradation associated with traditional lamps. It is the kind of set-it-and-forget-it reliability that facility managers love. The image quality is 1080p Full HD. Now, in an age where 4K is becoming the standard for home theaters, it is important to be clear about who this is for. For presentations, charts, photographs, and even golf simulators, 1080p remains the sweet spot for balance between clarity and cost-effectiveness. The color reproduction is quite impressive, thanks to ViewSonic's color technology, which does a great job of keeping skin tones and business graphics looking vibrant and accurate. It is not going to replace a high-end, color-calibrated cinema projector, but for the clarity and legibility required in a meeting, it is sharp, crisp, and clean. Setup is one of the areas where this machine really earns its keep. If you have ever tried to install a projector in a tricky room, you know the struggle of getting the image square on the screen. The LS740HD makes this much easier with a 1.3x optical zoom, which gives you some breathing room for placement without forcing you to move your mounting hardware if you have a slight measurement error. You also get horizontal and vertical keystone correction, plus four-corner adjustment. This is critical for auditoriums or rooms where you might need to mount the projector off-center. Being able to square off the image precisely on the screen, even if the projector is at an angle, is a quality-of-life feature that you will appreciate from the second you start the installation. Flexibility is a major theme here. This unit supports 360-degree projection, which means you can mount it on the ceiling, point it at the floor, or even orient it in portrait mode for specific creative displays or digital signage. It is a very versatile chassis. For the golf simulator crowd, which is a growing segment for this specific model, the included golf mode is a nice touch. It is tuned to bring out the green in the grass and the sky in the background, making those virtual courses feel a lot more immersive during your practice sessions. It is a thoughtful inclusion that recognizes how these projectors are actually being used by enthusiasts at home. However, no machine is without its compromises. While the 1080p resolution is fantastic for business and simulation, if you are planning to sit very close to a massive screen, you might notice the individual pixels more than you would on a 4K display. This is a business-focused projector, so don't expect the infinite contrast ratios or the deep cinematic blacks of a dedicated home theater laser unit. In a darkened room, you might see that it is tuned more for brightness than for delicate shadow detail. The internal 15-watt speaker is handy for a small meeting room, but if you are using this in an auditorium or for a golf simulator, you will definitely want to rely on an external sound system. The noise level is another thing to consider. While it is quite reasonable at about 30 decibels in normal mode and quieter in eco mode, it is still a fan-cooled machine. In a dead quiet room, you will hear it, but in any environment with even a little background noise or a group of people, it fades into the background. The instant power on and off feature is a standout, however. One of the frustrations with old-school projectors was waiting for the lamp to warm up or cool down. With this laser design, you are at full brightness almost instantly, and you can shut it down and pack it up as soon as the meeting ends, which is a massive time saver. When considering who should buy this, I think it is an excellent fit for small to medium-sized businesses, educational institutions, or anyone building a simulator setup where brightness and reliability are the top priorities. If you are a facility manager tasked with maintaining 5 or 10 of these in school building, the centralized software updates via USB and the low-maintenance laser engine will save you countless hours of labor over the life of the product. It is a professional-grade tool designed for professional-grade results. On the other hand, if your primary goal is building a high-end home cinema for movies, you might find that the 1080p resolution and the business-focused color tuning aren't quite the cinematic experience you are after. For that, you might want to look at projectors that specifically prioritize 4K resolution and high-contrast cinema modes. But for its intended purpose, brightness, versatility, and sheer, unwavering consistency, the LS740HD is a very strong contender. It feels like a mature product that has been engineered to solve the real-world problems of installation and operation. One last thing to highlight is the dust resistance. It is IP6X sealed, which is a big deal if you are installing this in a location that might see a lot of foot traffic or construction, like an auditorium or a retail space. Dust is the silent killer of projectors, and having that sealed engine design helps ensure that your image stays clear and your maintenance costs stay low. It is a detail that shows ViewSonic really understands how these machines are used in the real world. It is not just about the specs on the box, it is about how the machine behaves after it has been mounted on a ceiling for a year. In short, if you are looking for a reliable, bright, and highly adjustable projector for a commercial or specialized application, this machine is a very solid, well-built option. It balances performance and practicality in a way that is hard to ignore, and the shift to the laser light source is a move that you'll be glad you made in the long run. It is built to work, it is built to be installed easily, and it is built to last. If those are the traits you are looking for in your next projection setup, this unit should definitely be at the top of your list.